comes when parents come and saying क्या है, acne ही तो है, क्यों इतना ये इसके बारे में टेंशन ले रही है. हमारे जमाने में तो कोई सोचता भी नहीं था ना. हमारे जमाने में भी होते थे पिंपल्स, वो तो they would not even go to the doctors at that time.
Correct.
And all of those adults now have these deep acne scars.
Absolutely.
Which are
Agree.
very difficult to treat,
Yes,
because they've been there
yes.
for 40 years.
Yes.
And then I have to explain to the parent that
Yes.
you would look at the mirror maybe once a day at that time. Now these girls are taking selfies every 10 minutes. So they're
Absolutely.
looking at themselves so much more than you have looked at yourself at that time.
Correct.
Even if they're not
Agree.
in the industry, or they're just regular going people, you have access to a mobile phone camera in your pocket. So you're all the time looking at yourself, and you're over analyzing and judging yourself, and all of this for sure has increased after the lockdown, I feel.
Right.
Because most of us have spent so much time looking at ourselves, that the minor things have gained a little more significance now.
So I was getting my hair done at this salon just today morning. So this boy who was doing my hair had face full of acne and some acne marks also. Young, I must think he must be 24, 25. So I told him to fix his acne. And ये 10 साल बाद जाओगे डॉक्टर के पास तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So अगर है इसको ठीक करो, तो I just asked him to use some medication. And he's surprisingly is not doing anything. So,
Not bothered.
Not bothered. But, I think it happens with pigmentation, acne, hair fall, any skin problem you talk about, any ailment, I think you should, nip at the bud,
Exactly.
That's very important.
And I think it will take Indians a while to get there. So last year we visited Korea. And यहाँ पे आपको जितने salons दिखते हैं, वहाँ आपको उतने skin clinics दिखते हैं.
Yes.
And then we got to know there that, the moment one acne pops, even for a child, he's taken to a dermatologist directly. And we were like, we don't know when this is going to happen in our country, because we are the last option. पहले तो घर के नुस्खे ट्राई होते हैं, फिर फ्रेंड फैमिली से पूछ लेते हैं, फिर Instagram YouTube ट्राई करते हैं. ये सारा जब नहीं काम आता है तब हम याद आते हैं.